What's up, everyone? This is the Roommate Investor back with another video. When is the best time to buy real estate? The best time is now while I'm recording this video. Right now it's December 2023, the winter time. Why in the winter? This is the time when, a lot of people don't want to move. A lot of deals are out. People are just trying to sell their homes. This is the hardest time to sell a home because it's cold. It's in the middle of the school year. It's around Christmas time, Thanksgiving, holidays. People are spending more time with their family and doing family activities, school activities, things like that. They're not necessarily concerned about buying homes. Therefore, it's a buyer's market and you can get the homes for a discount. That December, January, February timeframe. Another reason is because it's right now, currently, interest rates are at 7 to 8%. People are scared to buy homes during these times because they're going to have higher mortgage payments, or they're waiting for the interest rates to lower. What does that mean? Everyone's waiting. So what should you do? You should buy, scoop up these properties while everyone is waiting. The third reason why now is the best time to buy, because you might miss the other booms of real estate, but the next time to buy is now. You can't control what you did in the past. You can only control what you do now forward. Over time, real estate is always the best investment, and now is always going to be the best time to buy. If you have any other questions, just comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think.